Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 65 of trying a new makeup product every day. So today I'm trying out the Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil in the shade Blackout. So I remember I really liked the Ulta Beauty metallic eyeliner when I tried out that green eyeliner on St. Patrick's Day. I got this eyeliner in the Ulta Beauty sample bag. Same bag that I've been working through the products from for the past few weeks. Okay, so it's just your typical wood eyeliner pencil that you would have to use a sharpener to sharpen. It comes very sharp, so I just want to see how it writes. Ooh, it actually is very smooth, pigmented. It went on kind of like gel, creamy like. Wow, I am actually surprised by how this just wrote. I'm very excited to try it out. It's very black. I'm going to start out by seeing how this works for lining my upper lash line. Oh my gosh, look at how dark and pigmented that is from just lightly drying over once on my upper lash line. It filled my upper lash line in so easily, so quickly, because I didn't have to continue to go over and get spots that I missed because it wasn't very pigmented or dark. Wow, I am so impressed. I'm just gonna go back in and perfect it in spots where maybe I didn't get all the way down to my lash line, and then I'll see how it looks after building it up a little bit. Yeah, so it is super dark and it just glides on so smoothly. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lower lash line. Wow, I am really loving how dark and pigmented it is with so little effort. I feel like you don't normally find that in a wooden eye pencil. They're usually not so pigmented and smooth. I really feel like my eye that has the eyeliner has such a nice dramatic effect to it. I'll go ahead and line my other eye and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back with two very heavily lined eyes. So I'll zoom you in so you can get a good look at how this eyeliner looks up close. I definitely didn't expect to feel so excited about this Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil because it just seems so run-of-the-mill, ordinary eyeliner. How great can it really be? But this is like my favorite pencil eyeliner that I've ever tried. I just love how dark it is, how smooth it glides on, and how quickly I can achieve a perfect dark line around my eyes. As I've said before, the Ulta Beauty line is very affordable, plus they always have coupons and sales going on, so I would definitely continue to use this, and I would try it out in other colors because I really do like the formula. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.